before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You can stop and look around once in a while. You can miss it.
Okay, so FN2 in for an Ecutek feature map today on the dyno. We're about to do a standard power run, see what she's putting out at present, and then we can load a Ecutek license up to the ECU, so we can do all the logging and get cracking. So let's see what she makes. Well, we're erasing the original ROM, original ECU, and flashing the Ecutek license on there. We can tell that's happening because it does a little loading screen on the rev counter. It's pretty trick, ain't it? I love these FN2s. Some good technology in here. What? I love the way you work it. No diggity.
I'm not singing now.
Oh, okay. Nearly done. Okay, so base map's on. It's time to do some tuning. Let's do a pull. So that's this one finished. Gonna set up some launch control, etc. to customers' requirements. It's made some good power, so I'm gonna show you the graph in a moment once I've finished doing this bit. Richard's done all the hard work as per usual, and now it's just a case of checking through a few things and making sure that we've got the graphs printed out and laminated for the customer. They love that. So yeah, another good one done. Okay, so there we go. As you can see, gauge right across the rev range, particularly in the mid-range. 40 brake horsepower up there, but up across the rev range completely. 211 brake horsepower, well 212 and 154 foot-pound of torque. So that's where we end today. Happy days, car's done well. It's a nice car, look at them wheels. Yes, I like that a lot. Cheers guys, thanks everyone.
Light moves pretty fast.